Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have your price table. Now start the chart. Select date plus open, high, low, close columns so Excel understands the series. Once selected, go to Insert, choose the stock chart group, and pick the type you need, usually high-low close or open high-low close. This creates a basic stock plot linked to your table, so as you edit rows the chart updates. Make sure dates sort ascending to keep the timeline correct. Once the raw stock chart appears, refine what each series displays by using Select Data and assigning the correct columns to high, low, open, close. Then format the horizontal axis as a date axis so Excel spaces points by time. Set minimum and maximum to focus on range. Adjust vertical axis bounds and tick intervals to avoid crowding. Finally, switch the series to candlestick or to complete the visualization. Calculate indicators like a 20-period SMA or an EMA in new columns, then add those ranges to the chart as line series so you can see trend context. If you track volume, plot it as a clustered column on a secondary axis and align its scale with the price pane. Once done, save the chart as a template for reuse. Troubleshooting tip: if bars appear missing, confirm your date column is sorted, and the chart is using a date axis, not a text axis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.